Once upon a time in a small village lived a young boy named Sam. Sam was a serious boy who rarely smiled. He believed that life was full of problems. He would often walk around with a frown on his face, worrying about everything. One sunny day, Sam walked through the village market. He saw a new face. It was an old man with a long white beard and tingling eyes. The old man was sitting on a small stand telling stories to a group of laughing children. When Sam stopped to listen, the old man's stories were funny, filled with silly characters and ridiculous situations. The children laughed and laughed, and even some adults chuckled as they passed by. Sam stood at the edge of the crowd, a small smile tugging